My mom is like, we have to be there at this time. All right, so I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me because I am supposed to be going to have dinner with my mom in a little bit. I look like a hot ass mess, but I decided I want to try out this blurring primer by CoverFX. But I need a moisturizer. The moisturizer that I've been using is by Sephora. This is the Instant Moisture Cream. It has hyaluronic acid boosters, which is super amazing, and it's super hydrating, which I'm gonna get a full size. This came in like my Sephora bag, but I usually use about that much. So good, like 100% so good. And I like to moisturize my skin and then apply my eyebrows on, and then my eye makeup, and then my face makeup, because yo girl, it needs time to set and like really sink into my skin. Also, my handy dandy watch is over here. Always have water with me, always stay hydrated, guys. So I have been loving this brow pencil. This is by Maybelline. This is their Total Temptations brow definer. I am in the color 315 Deep Brown. I really like it. What I really like about this is it has a little brush at the end, which I do use, but I use after I apply the product, and it comes with a lot of product. Like, I have been using this ever since I got it, and I really enjoy the pencil. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm gonna put this over here on this side, so then that way I can actually do my eyebrows. So my skin, it looks really moisturized. I kind of filled in my eyebrows just now, but I'm gonna use the CoverFX blurring primer. This is the one that I got in my Birchbox. Birchbox? What? Who even uses Birchbox anymore? This is the one that I actually got from my BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna use that for today. And it's been a couple of minutes since I let my moisturizer sink into my skin, which is always a good thing. I think I'm supposed to only get like a pea-size amount, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm only gonna put this on my T-zone because that's where I need it the most. I usually don't put primer like all over my skin because I feel like my nose just needs a little bit, like my T-zone needs a little bit more love. And then if I have any extra, I'll just, you know, buff it into my skin. I'm gonna finish my eyebrows and I will be right back. But the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eyelids, and I usually use this. It's by Evelyn Iona. It is, I'm not even sure what it is, to be honest. I think it's an eyeshadow base, but it could also be a concealer. I just use it as an eyeshadow base. So there's that. So I'm just gonna apply that with a Asani brush. You see that? I look crazy, but yeah. So I just apply a little bit like that, and then I take my pinky and then blend everything in. The palette that I'm going to be using today, there's going to be two because I am obsessed with them, is going to be this is the Dose of Color Sassy Sienna palette, which I'm obsessed with. I have been loving this one. And the Morphe Day palette, this one is the Day Slayer 15D. No, this one is limited edition. I believe so, but look at this. Oh! So pretty. So we're just gonna take Natural, which is this shade right here, and we're gonna apply that all over the lids. That's gonna be my base for all of my eyeshadows. So I like to put a base on before because it's easier for me to blend all of my eyeshadows and apply that all over my lids. This is going to set my eyeshadow base and also neutralize all of my lid space. So then that way, when I go to actually apply darker shades, the transitions will be a little bit better, a bit smoother. So that's always a good thing. Let me zoom you in more. Whoa, you're so close to me. Then I'm gonna go in with Editor, which is this shade right here. I'm going to mix that shade with Forever, and I'm just going to apply that to a crease because I want a gradient effect. I don't want it to be pretty dark. Just that and that shade. My outer V. Just like that. So I like to sloppily just kind of apply that on my eyes, as you can see. And then I just blend it in because this is going to be more of like a transition shade for all of the other ones. Girl, it's going to look bomb when it's done. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this shade, which is Brassy, and this shade, which is Foxy. Whew. Those are bomb. And I'm going to apply that with a Luxie 227 blending brush. And this I'm only going to be using right here, just like in the middle of my lid space. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. Grab some of that, and then apply it right there. That's it. And then I'm going to blend it. Then I'm going to go in with a darker shade, like Mauve, which is this shade. I'm just going to apply that with a Luxie 229 tapered brush. And can you see that? Just a little bit. And I'm going to apply it right on the outside. And then blend it lightly, okay? Because this is super pigmented. Super pigmented. So you can see the gradient. It's kind of like no shadow here, that really beautiful brick mauve color, and then that dark shade. That's what you're looking for. Take my clean one and just blend that out. This one is in the color Brulee. If you guys have watched me for a very long time, you guys know I love using Brulee for my inner corner and also to highlight my underbrow. That's also a thing. But I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to just apply it right here. Boom. So then I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Infallible Pro Glow in Caramel Beige number 209, which is my shade, which is Bomb Ski. And I'm going to use that beauty sponge that was in my box too. I really like the coverage of this foundation, and also it's just super amazing coverage. It's not like full, but it lasts throughout the day. It makes me look glowy. It makes my skin, like it gives my skin a really healthy glow, which I appreciate. Hello, Tut. I'm just gonna be applying a little bit right here and up here, here, highlighting the points of the face. And I'm gonna use the flat angled part of this sponge. It's super dirty, so just remind me. Really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner and my mascara, and I'll be right back with setting all of this. I'll be right back. My mascara is on. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Cargo HD powder, which is one of my favorites. I'm gonna use the Pure Sculptor palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here to contour / bronze my base. And I'm just going to apply that in a 3 and a little bit on my nose because I need a little bit of. Then I'm going to use, what blush do I want to use today? Ooh, let's go back to a goodie. This one, it used to be one of my favorites. It still is my favorite. But this one is Heather Silk by Wet n Wild. Oh my gosh. This is the Lisa Frank brush. Boom. And then for highlighter, go with Trailblazer. If you guys do remember from my last video, it was hella bright. See? Zam. That highlight though. Just right here. Just to add a little pop of color. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray. This one is the Rose Tone. Lips today, I'm thinking Tuscany by Oprah. Pretty. is it. Woo, girl, I am done with my makeups. So anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick get ready with me. I am late. My mom is gonna be so mad at me. But if you guys do want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all my links down below. And also it will be here on the screen somewhere. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be subscribed to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.